Save TikTok videos without watermark. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. And as you're logged into your account, you can simply make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. So let's first launch the TikTok application on our device. And as it launches, what you simply need to do is tap on the video. And as we tap on a video, what you can simply do is you'll be able to see the share icon or the arrow icon at the bottom of the screen. So tap on that arrow icon at the right side of the screen, and as you do that, you'll be seeing a lot of options that pop up at the bottom of the screen. So let's just wait until it loads. So tap on the arrow icon, and here you can see the option of download. Now when you tap on download, make sure you have the Wi-Fi connection, and it gets downloaded as soon as you have a better connection. So when you download, you'll have a certain watermark from TikTok. So it is not directly possible to remove it or to save the videos without watermark. You'll have to use any third-party app for that. So directly from TikTok, that's not really possible. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.